Okay, welcome to this demo of Enggar. Now here's the dashboard, but before I go through and show you all the fantastic things included in the dashboard, I first want to show you a campaign that I've just built. So I'm going to go over here. Okay, so here's an example of an Enggar page. Now through this I'm going to go ahead and explain Enggar by using Enggar. It says, hey there, my name is Enggar. I transform conventional websites into great conversational experiences. Enggar is a tool that aims at creating meaningful conversations with your web visitor just like we're having now. I'm sure your customers are going to love this. And at this point, now you're prompting for an email address. So on your normal page, you're going to see a lot of different distracting things. You're not sure where your people are going. With Enggar, you can show them exactly where you want them to go and then grab their email address almost immediately. So I put an email address in here, and then next comes thanks for entering your email. What would you like to learn more about? Now I've selected the options either features or pricing. I'm going to go ahead and go to features. And here comes my next pop-up. With Enggar, you can engage with the audience using images, GIFs, and videos. You can also build your email list in the process, just like how I did. Now they have the option to either learn more or buy now. If they click buy now, they're going to go directly to the checkout page. I'll show you that in a minute. But we're going to go to learn more first. With learn more, this tool acts as your funnel where you now get to display information on a needed basis. Enggar helps you create a page that lets you interact one-on-one with your visitor to understand their needs better so you can assist them better. Did you get all the information and are you ready to purchase? Now they can select yes I am or no I need more information. In this case, we're going to select yes I am ready. And that's going to take us directly over to the checkout page. And this, of course, is the checkout page. Makes it super simple to get them right over there for the sale. You're streamlining everything really easy for your customer to take them exactly where you want them to go, and at the same time, give them the control over where they're choosing to go. Again, as I mentioned before, if they do select checkout instead of learn more, they're going to go directly to this page. So when they're ready to buy, they go here. All right, I'm going to show you another real life example that really you can kind of put into practice here. Now, this is a normal dentist website, okay? You've got lots of different information on here. You've got pictures, you've got lots of different options on the top. You've got this explanation, which is really in small print. I don't know that I would really go on and read that if I were visiting this webpage for the first time. So customers can be really confused coming here, not sure where to go. Let me show you what we've done by using Enggar on a very similar site, actually the same site. Okay, so this is an example of actually adding Enggar onto a website. So the website I just showed you previously, we've gone ahead and added Enggar on there to give it that extra impact. Now this way, your customer sees, welcome to the family and implant dentistry practice of Robert Sosa, DDS in Miami, Florida. At our office, we're dedicated to providing all the dental care your family needs in one convenient location. Tell us how we can help you. And then they have 4 options. They can either go to general dentistry, cosmetic dentistry, make an appointment right away, or view our patient results after treatment. So these are the 4 most important areas somebody's going to likely want to click on. They're either going to be there to book an appointment or go to cosmetic or general, and you're giving them those options. These options are also along the top. So at this point, let's say they're interested in general dentistry, they would click here. So then they're given the next prompt. At our office, we provide a wide variety of services in many areas of dentistry, and so that we can serve your family, we're experienced and we give you the care you deserve. Dr. Sosa he'll personally sit down with you to discuss what your dental and smile goals are during your first appointment. Then you see a nice picture of that wonderful Dr. Sosa who's going to be your helper. You're building trust, you're building authority right there in front of your customer. After careful consideration and collaboration, Dr. Sosa will present a custom treatment plan designed to meet your oral health needs and your smile goals. Please click the button below to find a list of our general dentistry services. And at this point, we can either see more about Dr. Sosa or go straight to general dentistry services. That's where we're going to go. And then we have a list of services: implant dentistry, composites, tooth colored fillings, periodontal, where you're doing gum care, bridges, crowns, dentures and partials, extractions, root canals. Now we can take a tour of our practice or request an appointment. We're going to go ahead and take a tour. And here we have a video tour. So there's where we have the video incorporation. Okay, so that's going to give you basically a tour through the office, an example of how you can use this. You're putting a video in there, you're showing them around the office. Now, at this point, once they've seen your video, they can now request an appointment or visit our website. We're going to request an appointment at this point, and then it takes us to this screen where we can then have the customer fill in their name, phone number, email, and comments. So that's an example of how Engager actually takes your customer by the hand through so that they can more effectively make decisions on where they're going, and you can help kind of lead them through that funnel. Okay, so here we are at the dashboard to show you how to set up a campaign. So I'm going to go ahead and create campaign. And this takes me to the DFY template. So this is basically done for you templates. You can go ahead and select one. You know, you've got different colors. You've got whichever one you want to select right here. Then we have the color template. So these are some different templates for different niches that you can select. We've got a pet shop, we've got beauty products, musical instruments. So these are more catered to the niche that you're specifically in. So let's go over here to the templates here. And I'm going to go ahead and select here. And then you can see the colors. And I'm going to show you how to change all those colors and all of that a little bit later. But this shows you basically what the template is going to begin like. So here's where I'm going to enter my conversation. So to begin, learn how I triple my income with this new strategy. That's going to be my first piece of conversation. Then I'm going to go ahead and add a button right here. So here's my first button. My first button is going to be, yes, I want to know more. And you can see it creates the button right there in front of your eyes. Really easy to use, really intuitive, great to see as well. Now I'm going to go ahead over here and create my next button, because if I give them one option, I want to give them another option. This one's just going to be, no thanks. Okay, now my buttons are set up. Next I'm going to enter the next piece of conversation that I want in there. So the next place I want to lead them to. And I'll just put, perfect, watch the video I made specially for you. Go ahead and save that. And then I'm going to go ahead and insert a video. Now this is where I'm just going to stick my embed code for my YouTube video. Just going to go ahead and insert that right there. And there it pulls it directly from YouTube, just like that. Now I'm going to go ahead for conversations, because after they've watched my video, I want to go ahead and lead them to the next step. So I'm going to say, do you want to know more? Then enter your email address here. So now I can actually prompt them for their email address. Come over here to conversations, and then I'm going to select email ID, because at that point, that's when I want an email ID field, allowing them to enter that. Just save it. And so that shows you how easy it is to set up a campaign. Now I'm going to go ahead and preview this. This is going to preview the whole conversation. It's just going to go right through there. I've got my logo up here at the top where it says company name on the left. Then you've got the different colors here that I'll show you how to customize a little bit later. But here's the conversation as it's going through. You've got the video, and then of course when you come to the end, it's enter your conversation again. And there we have entering your email address. So really a great way to give that pattern interrupt to your viewers so that they're not seeing the same old page. They're seeing something different with this page builder. And here's the design. So you can change your logo here. And then of course you can see the colors here, like I told you before. This is where you're going to insert your logo. And there is a recommended size, take note of that. And then here's your background color. So you can select your background as blue. Let's say you want to change your button color. Let's say we want to make that, I don't know, this yellow-orange color. And then we can also change the button color text. So we'll make that black just to make that stand out a little bit better. And then we can change the font here. We can go to impact. That's not quite working. Let's change it over here to this one. This one looks much better. Go ahead and save that. And you've got it saved. Now we can come back over here to the dashboard, and you can see that the new campaign, I've set up this new campaign. This is where you're going to preview it. You can do statistics here. And then you've got these meta tag settings. You've got Facebook share settings, and you can just put your Facebook post title, your post description, and your image in here. Okay, I'm going to come over here to integrations and show you all the fantastic integrations we have. We have Aweber, ActiveCampaign, SendLane. You can see all of these here, even Infusionsoft and iContact. And basically, with a click of a button, you can connect with your autoresponder with all of our different integrations. Really fantastic there. And that shows you just how easy Engager really is to use. Super simple, not hard to use at all, easy to go through, easy to set up your campaigns, and really a great way to have a page builder that's different from anything you've ever seen, giving that pattern interrupt so that you're doing something different from everybody else. And that concludes this demo.